question. NumPy is basically a Python package that helps us to manipulate large arrays and matrices of numeric data. It basically performs mathematical calculations. And for this particular question, we are going to use numpy.array. That is a function that is used to convert a list into a numpy array. And for this question, we would be required to input a list separated by commas and then print the reverse of numpy array with type. So as you can see, there is some code already written in the compiler or in the editor, and in that we can see that it inputs an array named as ARR and then converts it into a list or converts it into a data. So for this, when this data ARR is transferred into this function, this def arrays is basically a function that is going to be used to convert the list into a array. So for this, what we are going to use is we are going to create a new list that would be of float type. Since we need to convert it into float type, like basically what would be happening is you can see here is only input dot strip. So if I am neglecting the rest of the part, dot split dot strips dot split. So what we can see is it takes data as input, ARR input. That means the data that is would be going to input would be string data, or you can say character data. So first we need to convert this data into integer type. And for integer type, since it's number, we would be needing it to convert into integer type. But for this particular question, it has asked us to convert into float data type. So we are going to convert it into float data type instead of int. We all know how to convert a string list into integer list. I would be going to do it using list comprehension, that is int x for x and ARR. So this would be converting the string data list into integer. But for this particular question, we need float data type. So I would be writing here float. And after that, it has been converted. So we need to reverse it for like reverse the data, not short but reverse. So for this, I would be using slicing, uh, and I would be slicing it negative. You all know how to reverse, so I'm not going to explain it. That's basic idea of how to do it. And then I will be using the method np dot arrays. Basically, it's a method that converts np dot arrays. You can write here as np, since this is not editable, so I would need to write here numpy dot arrays, and here I would be writing the list name, comma, the data type. Basically, it's already been taken as float, so there's no need to write data type. But if you want, you can just add here comma d type. So basically, it's used to assign a particular data type. I would be writing a float. After that, return. Since it's a function, it will be needing to return a value. So I will be writing a return a. See how it's, oh, why did it not get executed? Let me see if I made any kind of mistake. No. Float data type. Let me first try to run this code. Arrays ARR numpy.arrays. Oh, okay. I made a mistake. I wrote here arrays. I need to write here array only. So maybe now this code will be executed. So yes, you can say the sample test case has been executed. Let's see for other cases. Yeah. So this has given us the compiler message. And congratulations, you have solved your first question on NumPy arrays, that is to convert a list data type into array and then solve this question particularly. Thank you. For more such videos, you can go on my YouTube channel.